Hello, and welcome back to Real Estate Partners Educational Series. Today, we're diving into some common missteps that new real estate investors often make, and how you can sidestep these pitfalls. Mistake number 1, failing to do your due diligence. It's vital to inspect properties, research local markets, and review financial documents before you commit to a purchase. Otherwise, you could end up paying dearly. Mistake number 2, overpaying for properties. Always ensure you've researched and understand the fair market value of a property before placing your offer. Overpaying can drastically affect your return on investment. Mistake number 3, ignoring cash flow. It's a critical component of real estate investing. Accurately calculate your expenses and potential rental income to ensure positive cash flow. Mistake number 4, underestimating repair and maintenance costs. It's crucial to grasp the property's condition and potential repair costs before investing. Finally, mistake number 5, not having an exit strategy. Whether you plan on selling, refinancing, or renting, always have a plan in place to withdraw from the investment if necessary. Real estate investing can be an excellent way to build wealth. However, being aware of and avoiding these common mistakes can mean the difference between success and failure. Armed with the right knowledge and strategy, you can minimize your risks and maximize your returns. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more helpful tips from your real estate partner.